We'd like to welcome everyone to the course of Academic Communication for Psychologists. Now, what is academic communication? What aspects of academic communication is this course about? Academic communication is a specific form of communication used in the academic world. Some examples of academic communication are textbooks, presentations, research papers, and dissertations. In this course, we intend to talk about only two forms of academic communication: research papers and presentations. What is the purpose of this course? It should be pointed out that we are not going to focus on research or how to do research, but how to make your research paper better so you will be able to get your work published. As you know, psychology reports are written in a standardized conventional style or format. It is usual to use the format recommended by the American Psychological Association or APA. The recommendations that this course offers are based on the APA format. Another purpose of this course is to provide the basic information about how to present your research paper at a conference. So the course presents guidelines for writing a psychology paper and presenting it at a conference. This information is contained in 3 modules. These are Module 1, Preparing Research Paper, Module 2, Translating Research Paper, and Module 3, Editing and Presenting Research Paper. Module 1 defines the main parts of research paper, from abstract to conclusion, emphasizing both function and form. We are going to give tips on how to break up a psychology paper into sections and what to include in each section. This module also gives guidance on proper ways of communicating information and summarizes current reporting standards for research papers. We aim to look through some sample papers that illustrate the rules of APA style. Module 2 deals with the problems related to the translation of psychological texts from Russian into English and vice versa. We are going to talk about 2 important issues that need to be considered when doing the translation of psychological texts: translation of psychological terminology and grammar structures. Module 2 gives you some tips on how to translate the words and grammar structures of the original text in a clear and logical way. The illustrative material will be a set of words, word combinations and sentences extracted from psychological texts. Module 3 suggests ways to improve your writing style. To begin with, we intend to advise you on how to organize your thoughts, choose effective words and appropriate grammar structures. Then we are going to provide guidance on citing sources in a research paper. The second part of Module 3 is designed to help you develop skills needed to present the research paper at a conference. First, we aim to discuss the details of what speakers actually do when talking to an audience. This part of the module answers the questions: how to organize your points strategically for making an impact, how to present the structure of your talk, how to use language that involves your audience, how to convince an audience that you will not waste their time, how to show that you are engaged with an audience. Next, we are going to give you some tips on how to prepare and use PowerPoint slides and other visual aids in your presentation. So, we hope that for each one of you, your participation in this online course will be a good opportunity to improve your academic communication skills.